Hi everyone, it's a short video on an interesting topic. Is risk management bad? And I think it's important to make a distinction first. Are we talking about risk management 1 or risk management 2? Risk management 1 is not bad because it's actually harmless. It's so harmless that it's neither good or bad. It's probably unlikely to do a lot of damage. It will deceive decision makers, which may be led to making a bad decision, but in reality the decision makers are kind of used to ignoring heat maps, so it's unlikely that they will actually make a bad decision. They will probably just end up ignoring, like they always do, the output of qualitative risk analysis. So it's not that bad, but it's not good either, because it's very unlikely that it will actually create some interesting insights that will change the way decisions are made, or that will be interesting enough for the executives to change the way they operate. So risk management 1 is neither good or bad, it's pretty much indifferent or useless. Risk management 2, however, is very bad. And why is it bad? Because it creates transparency. And transparency in business is not such a good thing. Risk management 2 is really, really bad, but bad only for people who have something to hide, who have structured their processes or are making decisions in a particular non-transparent way. And for them, risk management is a direct threat. Risk management 2 is a direct threat for people who are not that honest in making decisions, or who have some sort of conflict of interest, or have something to hide, or have some sort of personal agenda or hidden agenda, whatever that may be. So for them, risk management 2 is actually really bad. And you have to be mindful about that, because when you come and say to the CFO, let's add Monte Carlo simulation to your budgeting, he immediately thinks, well, how will that impact the methodology that I've been used for budgeting and the shortcuts that I have been creating for years and using for years when completing the budget? And all the other executives are probably thinking exactly the same. Risk management 2, on the other hand, is really good for people who are genuinely interested in making good, economic, viable, informed decisions. So for them, risk management 2 is a huge supporting tool, is an amazing opportunity to make a better decision. So for some people, risk management is bad, for others, risk management is good. It actually tells you a lot about a particular executive, whether they see the value or they pretend like they don't see the value. Most executives are smart enough to realize quite quickly that risk management creates transparency, and then how they react to that transparency is a really good indication of what kind of executive they are. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Do share underneath this video. For me, for now, goodbye, and I'll see you in the future videos on the Risk Academy channel on YouTube. Do subscribe. See you soon.